Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get max camera zoom on your iPhone. So before I show you, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So to do that, open up your camera and go to your video. And then use your two fingers and use it to zoom in or zoom out. And then the other way you can do it is to hold and then go from right to the left to do the same maneuver. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.